Do you cast your countertops in place or install them like granite or marble? Well, unlike those shows you may have seen on HGTV or DIY Network, casting your countertop in place is not a good idea for several reasons. First, if you cast on your existing cabinets, when the time comes that you want to replace them, you could end up having to remove the cabinets too, because they become an integral part of the countertop. Also, you don't get the quality of fit and finish that you do when the molds are made and cast in the shop. Finally, talk about a bull in a china shop. Do you really want a concrete guy working in your kitchen for 2 to 3 weeks, mixing concrete and then grinding and coloring? Here at CI, we come to your location and make a template, which we then take back to our shop and we make a mold. The countertop is then created in our shop and then installed on location just like granite or marble.